They say money can't buy happiness, but if you're not careful, it can buy you a one-way ticket to financial ruin.
What if everything you thought you knew about managing your personal finances was wrong? Don't be the person who finds out too late. Stick around, before your wallet becomes a ghost of its former self. Personal finance is supposed to be simple, right? Just save, invest, and budget. But what if I told you that those are just the surface-level tips? Beneath the calm waters of budgeting and saving lies a much darker truth, one that can either make or break your financial future. In this video, we're diving into the chilling depths of personal finance and exposing what you need to know before it's too late. If you think you're managing your money well, think again. This is the list you can't afford to miss. Managing personal finances sounds easy until the bills pile up, unexpected expenses hit, and suddenly, you're spiraling into debt faster than you ever imagined. The problem? Most people don't even know where to start. Worse, they think they have it all figured out. But with each wrong move, you're letting your financial security slip away, bit by bit, until all that's left is regret. So how do you really manage your money in a way that ensures you stay in control? Budgeting. Everyone tells you to do it, but no one tells you how it can go horribly wrong. Sure, it's important to have a budget, but a budget without flexibility is a ticking time bomb. Ever tried to stick to a rigid budget only to end up overspending because an emergency hit? You weren't ready for it, were you? Budgeting isn't about restrictions, it's about preparation. If you're just categorizing your expenses without creating a buffer for the unexpected, you're already walking a dangerous path. Debt is like a monster that feeds on your financial mistakes. One day, it's a harmless loan, the next, it's devouring your paycheck before you can even pay the bills. Credit cards, student loans, car payments, these are the tools it uses to bind you in chains of interest rates and penalties. The real horror? It's so easy to fall into this trap, and escaping is much harder than you think. You need to tame the debt monster before it swallows you whole. Just save your money, they say. But where are you saving it? If you're putting all your money into a regular savings account, you're letting inflation quietly eat away at your hard-earned cash. It's like watching your financial safety net slowly disintegrate. There's a smarter way to save, but it's hidden behind layers of misinformation. You've got to dig deeper to find the real answers, or else your future savings will haunt you when you need them the most. Investing is the key to growing wealth, but take a wrong turn, and it can lead you to financial disaster. The stock market, real estate, crypto, it all sounds like a gold mine, but it's filled with hidden traps. One bad decision, and you can watch your money disappear into thin air. Investing is necessary, but it's not for the faint of heart. If you don't know the game will play you. Everyone dreams of financial independence. No more working for someone else, no more 9-to-5 grind. But here's the scary truth, most people are chasing a dream they'll never reach because they don't understand what it truly takes. The road to financial independence isn't just about making more money. It's about discipline, sacrifice, and smart choices that most aren't willing to make. Will you have what it takes, or will you become just another victim of false promises? The real question isn't whether you know how to manage your personal finances, it's whether you're prepared for the traps lurking around every corner. Are you ready to face the uncomfortable truths? It's not enough to save, invest, or budget. You need to anticipate what lies ahead, or risk being caught off guard when disaster strikes. The financial world is unforgiving, and those who don't prepare are doomed to fail. The choices you make today could either set you up for lifelong security, or endless regret. Managing personal finances is not just about following the rules. It's about breaking free from the surface-level advice that most people follow blindly. The truth is, you have to dig deeper, plan smarter, and always stay one step ahead of the traps waiting to pull you down. So, what's it going to be? Will you be the one in control of your finances, or will they control you? Don't miss the next video, it might just save your financial future.